Okay guys, next, active and passive voice. Definition of active voice. In an active sentence, the subject performs the action expressed by the verb. And definition of passive voice. In a passive sentence, the subject receives the action. And next, function of active. And one, clarity and directness. Example, the chef prepared the meal. And two, emphasizing the actor. Example, Lionel Messi scored the winning goal. And three, assertive tone. Example, you must submit the report by Friday. And next, function of passive. And one, focus on the object. Example, the bridge was built in 121. And the next, function of passive. And one, focus on the object. Example, the bridge was built in 1920. And two, unknown actor. Example, my car was stolen last night. And three, irrelevant actor. Example, rice is green in many parts of Asia. And four, formal. Example, the chemical reactions was observed carefully. And five, diplomacy. Example, a mistake. And five, diplomacy. Example, a mistake was made. And the next, characteristic of active. And one, subject as the door. And two, direct structure. And three, active verbs. And three, active verbs. And four, tone of a sentence. And the next, characteristic of passive. And one, subject as the receiver. And two, grammatical structure. And the next, types. And the next, types. 1. Simple present tense, used for fixed habits or general truths. And active, subject plus verb 1 s or es plus object. Example, Annie cleans the room. Passive, object plus am is are plus verb 3 plus by subject. Example, the room is cleaned by Annie. And 2. Present continuous tense, used for action happening right now. And active, subject plus am is are plus verb ing plus object. Example, they are playing football. And the next, passive, object plus am is are plus being plus verb 3 and plus by subject. Example, football is being played by them. And the next, 3. Simple past tense, used for complete action in the past. And active, subject plus verb 1 plus object. Example, he borrowed a car yesterday. And the next, passive. Object plus was or were, the verb 3 plus by subject. Example, a car was bought by him yesterday. And 4. Past continuous tense, used for action that were ongoing at a specific time in the past. And active, subject plus was or were plus verb ing plus object. Example, she was cooking dinner. Passive, object plus was or were plus being plus verb 3 plus by subject. Example, dinner being cooked by her. And 5. Present perfect tense, used for action that have been complete or have a connection to the present. And the next, active, subject plus has or has plus verb 3 and plus object. Example, well, I have finished the report. And passive, object plus have or has plus been plus verb 3 and plus by subject. Example, the report has been finished by me. And 6. Simple future tense, used for action that will happen in the future. And active, subject plus will plus verb 1 plus object. Example, the company will launch a new product. And the next, passive, object plus will plus be plus verb 3 plus by subject. Example, a new product will be. Example, a new product will be launched by the company.